Good morning, students. Today's class 7 subject computer and chapter number 8 formatting in MS Word second. Last week study about this chapter according to formatting in MS Word part second, text alignment, tab setting, line spacing, and remaining part of this chapter formatting in MS Word, the topic bullets and numbering. So today discuss about the bullets and numbering. What is bullets? Bullets are used at the place of numbering for use the subtitle and suboption any topics related to main topics after the main heading and their parts mentioned to the different types of decimal numbers and its parts used in Roman number. After that, many options of subtitles, then select different type of symbol as a bullet setting. So the bullets list and numbering list also display on the format menu or formatting toolbar. Bullets and numbering are prepared for subtitles. For example, basic, list of students, number 1, Ram Singh, and it is group admin. Then their parts 1, Rakesh, Agnes, and their parts group admin and members and also its members mentioned in alphabetical order. And also its parts like the symbols. This is called bullet. There are different types of symbol is called because the main topic related to many different types of sub topic related to main topic. First, numbering is without numbering heading and numbers and their parts in use Roman number and their parts alphabet and their parts is also used as a symbol. This is called the bullets. Different types of bullets used. This is called the bullets. This type of symbol used as the bullets. And in numbering, change the any bullet list and symbols. Go to the formatting toolbar and click on bullet and numbering option. First off, select any text. After that, go to the formatting toolbar and check your list, number list or bullet list. Suppose use the number list, then click on numbering and select bullet list, then click on bullet. After that, before any type of text, according to numbering, mention of the starting point. If select numbering, then type the numbering. If select bullets, then display bullets. Bullet and numbering, the formatting toolbar also contain bullets and numbering option. Word documents and other document related to MS Office contain every software contain bullets and numbering. And again make a columns. Make a column. How to create a columns? According to your text. So click on formatting toolbar, then select the column option and change the column or make a columns or mention any list of columns. Also mention in column. Columns already display in vertical form and type any text in this column in horizontal. Suppose column A, column B, column C, column D. Column A contain name of student, column B name of student's fathers, and C column contain different types of dates related to every student and address related to the students. Rajesh, Raju Babu, date 12/7/2005 and address Kozhawar. So it is called the column. Word document also facility make a column and and intersect point also draw the line this is called the table. Table is the intersect point of rows and column. This is called column and this type row, and intersect point is called cell. And grid of the columns and rows make a table. So study about the chapter number 8, formatting in MS Word second, which contain different options. Last time study about the text alignment, different types of text alignment like the left alignment, right alignment, center alignment and justify. And also contain tabs. There are different types of tabs, top and there are different types of tab, left, right, center, decimal and bar. And also contain margins. There are 4 types of margin, top, bottom, left margin and right margin. And also they have different types of line spacing, and for the bullets and numbering, create columns and make a table with the help of columns and rows. And also contain page formatting में this is called this type of A4 size, page A4 size. This pattern is called lengthwise. Lengthwise called portrait, and this type of called widthwise is called landscape. Landscape. This chapter complete, and next day study about next chapter number 9, tools and windows. Thanks. Have a good day.